Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to your English class. Today we are going to start our unit number 12, which is the last unit of your syllabus, and the topic of the unit is what games do you play. So let's start our reading. What is your main choice of entertainment? It is basketball, table tennis, football, or chess. It may well be a video games. If it is, you may need to think about just how much time you spend playing them. Are you overly preoccupied with games? Are you fixed to the screen whenever you have a spare time or spare minute, or do you have other hobbies? These are important considerations. Video games are often young people's main choice of entertainment and they can have their downside. Playing video games too often and for too long is not good for your health, and this refers to health in the broadest context. This is to say, it isn't good for your physically or mentally. It can affect concentration, and young people who are obsessed with interactive games can become irritable, angry, and even violent. This could be because of kinds of stories told in video games often depict violence of some kind. For a long time, violence in video games has been a major concern for parents and teachers. This does not mean that most young people are affected. However, there is evidence to show that exposure to such video games can cause some young people to become more hostile, particularly if they are by nature hot tempered and have trouble getting along with others. Playing video games for too long periods of time also affects one's physical health. Constant repetition can result in gamer's thumb, which is a swelling caused by excessive use of the gamepad. It doesn't take much to see that if you are constantly sitting in front of a monitor, you are not being active enough. Physical activity is important to ensure good blood circulation. It also makes you feel better. In addition, if you play team sports, you also get the opportunity to interact with others. Now, if we say that what is the explanation, the main thing what he is trying to explain over here is about the video games, which most of the children nowadays they it is their best entertainment. ठीक है, अब आप क्या करते हैं कि जब आप वीडियो गेम्स पर बैठते हैं खेलने के लिए तो यू डू नॉट केयर अबाउट योर health, you do not care about the time that you are putting on it, ठीक है. एंड इन दिस वे बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो होती हैं वो स्पॉइल होने लगती हैं. सबसे बड़ी बात तो ये है कि आपकी अपनी खुद जो है ना हेल्थ वो होती है, आपका विजन ख़राब होता है, ठीक है, आपके फिंगर्स के साथ इश्यूज आ सकते हैं. So what over here in this whole chapter he is trying to explain के मतलब एक पहलू ये है कि वीडियो गेम्स आर अ गुड एंटरटेनमेंट, ठीक है, बट ऑन द अदर हैंड ही इज सेइंग कि दे मे गिव यू मतलब दे मे बी देयर मे माइट बी डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ इट, एंड द डिसएडवांटेजेस आर दैट कि आप जो है आपकी तो हेल्थ वो हो रही है, और फिर ये कि आपको अपने टाइम को किस तरह कंस्ट्रक्टिवली इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए, आप उस चीज़ से दूर होते चले जाते, ठीक है. और आगे चल के ये भी बताया जा रहा है कि भाई आप इस चीज़ को एक बेहतर अंदाज से भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. और जो यहाँ लास्ट पैराग्राफ में इन्होंने बताया है कि फ़िज़िकल एक्टिविटी इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. ये तो हम और आप बहुत अच्छी तरह जानते हैं कि हमें एक जगह बैठे नहीं रहना चाहिए, उससे बहुत सारे मसाइल पैदा हो जाते हैं, ठीक है ना. एक तो आपका लिंक दूसरों से कम होता हो जाता है, ठीक है. तो ही इज सेइंग कि फिजिकल एक्टिविटी इज इम्पॉर्टेंट टू इंश्योर गुड ब्लड सर्कुलेशन एंड इट ऑल्सो मेक्स यू फील बेटर, ठीक है। और फिर दूसरी बात ये कि इन एडिशन इफ़ यू प्ले टीम स्पोर्ट्स क्या होते हैं, वो स्पोर्ट जिसमें देर आर मतलब नंबर ऑफ पीपल अलॉन्ग विद यू। अब वीडियो गेम्स पे तो ये कि आप एक जगह बैठे हुए हैं और आप खेल रहे हैं, ठीक है ना, आपका किसी और से इंटरेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है। तो उस चीज़ पर को भी इन्होंने बताया है कि जब आप इंटरेक्ट करेंगे तो इट माइट बी कि यू नो हाउ टू बिहेव विद अदर्स, यू कम टू learn it. Okay, so let's start with the difficult words from this much portion that I have read you. That is page number 148 and page number 149. So let's mark down the difficult words. The first word is coming on page number 148, entertainment. And just below entertainment, you will find a word chess over there, and in the fourth line there is preoccupied. In the fifth line is spare. Coming to the hobbies in the next line, and consideration, downside. Coming on page number 149, broadest, context, sorry, physically, concentration, obsessed, then irritable, depict, violence, affected, evidence, exposure, repetition, opportunity. Now these are the words for the explanation till today.